Tight glue, the mighty bond that sticks it all together. Meaning, today we're exploring the word glue. Glue is a substance that, when applied, bonds materials together by drying and hardening. It's a term that signifies the remarkable power of adhesion. Pronunciation. Pronouncing glue is simple glue, with a soft G and a long U. Use in a sentence. For example, glue is often used to join pieces of wood, paper, or other materials, creating a strong and lasting connection. Importance. Glue is a versatile tool that holds together various objects, from household repairs to art and crafts, making it an essential component of creativity and practicality. Conclusion. In summary, glue is a word that represents the power of connection and the versatility of this bonding agent. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, appreciate the glue that helps things stick together and work as one.